Hello guys, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store. And in this video we are going to talk about step-by-step guideline for a beginner user. So as you can see, we already on our Shopify store and it is a dashboard panel. So we need to be go on landed in CJ Dropshipping. So it is a platform where we can connect our product with that, and we can purchase something from China and then deliver it to our desired place. And here it is the simplest and quickest way to add this CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to create an account here. Then it is really simple task. It will take around 5 or 6 minutes to create an account, and you can connect with your Google account. Like as usual, we create account Facebook and YouTube. This is simple one again. Then once you click here and your CJ dropshipping account has been created successfully, then the next step will be you need to be connect your Shopify store with this CJ dropshipping apps. So this is also a simple task, but let me tell you how you can add this. So you need to be visit on your Shopify store. Once you visit here, you need to be click on add apps option. Once you click here, you will get this kind of a pop-up, and you need to be click on Shopify app store. You will find out this option in the top bottom of the pop-up. Just click over here, and then it will be move you in the next page. And here you can see we are on app.shopify.com. It is a store for Shopify app users. So here you can add an app that calls CJ dropshipping. So write down here CG and they will give you the suggestion. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you this option. You can see the best match was CG dropshipping, and even now you need to be click on install. Once you click over here, they will take a while and they will automatically install these apps in your Shopify store. So now click on install. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to CJ dropshipping. So you need to be wait a while. So they are asking us to authorize our account, I mean the Shopify store. So you can easily view your mail account in here when you are doing this work for authorization. So just click over here, authorization button, hit the authorization button. They will ask for confirmation. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a while to take time to authorize the thing, and then it will redirect you to the dashboard panel for CJ dropshipping. Once the authorization has been completed, it will be redirect you this same page, and the interface will be kind of this way. And you can see that our authorization has been successfully. So now you need have some work to do, or you can read this video, or you can watch this video. So the process is really easy. So now we are going to dive into the main topic. First of all, I want to make authorization manually. So for that reason, I will click over here in the option, and then I will click some option to see that my Shopify store has been connected or not. So as you can see right now, we need to be go on to check our Shopify store is connected or not. So for that reason, I will hover on this option. You will find out this option in the left corner. Just click on Shopify platform. Once you click over here, they will redirect you to the new page where you can see your page as integrated or not. The quickest and simplest way this is to check is it really working or not. Then you need to be add your product to connect with Shopify store. I hope so. You can also visit here to recheck that is it really also in Shopify integrate or not. So for that reason, you need to be click on setting and then click on apps, and you will find out that your CJ dropshipping master has been installed in Shopify. So by this checking, you can confirm that yes, your CJ dropshipping is added to your both apps. So now you can work on it. So after authorization, you had complete all the work. So you just need to complete next process, and next process will be you need to connect your product to CJ dropshipping to Shopify store, and this might be a simplest process till now. Let me show you. Just click over here in this button. Okay, just give them time and then it will become over here. Okay, it will take a while. So you can see we need to click on this option, find product. Just click over here and you can find out products for your store, like you are selling watches or you can sell or clothing product or baby product. So what you sell, like it's totally up to you. What kind of product do you want to integrate with Shopify store? So find out as your wants, and now you can good to go. You can find out your product and connect with your Shopify store. And then you need to wait a while because it takes times to loading fast. So I sell clothes, so I will choose this option and then I will click over here and it will open a new tab. Here you can see the process. I am trying to see you the step-by-step guidelines, so please watch till the end, then you will find out this video is really knowledgeable for you. Even though if you are really beginner in this industry, then this video might help you also. So you can see that it taking few minutes to loading, so you need to wait a while again. And now you can see that our product has been come over here, and here you will see 4 options here in the bottom in the right side. So you need to click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will open a new page again. So it is the procedure and it will happen every time whenever you connect, whenever you click a new button. So now you need to wait a while again. It's totally depend on your network connection. So my network connection maybe right now is slow, that's why it's take a while. And if you are working from good nature, then it will take not so much time. So you can see we are on a new page, and here if you click on connect, it will give you a suggestion that please pin the product you want to connect in your store. So I already published a product in my drop shipping apps like Shopify. Here you can see that I already add a product. So you can add a new product here like this way, add product, and here you can see give the title, description, media, price, whatever you want. Then it will be automatically uploaded it here. And before connect, let me give you a sample. Like I am going to upload a new product here, that's why I will choose the title from that place and then I will paste here, then I will give the description from that place. Like I will make a replicate from that DZ shopping to this Shopify store. As you can see, we already completed our add product option. Now we are going to give a price, it will be 2000, and then we will be publish our product to here. And now click on save. Once you click on save, and it will take a time again, and then it will be published. Now we can see our product has been created perfectly. Now we will visit that place again, then I will connect, like I will click on here, select store, then I will select my store and sync. I will click on sync and I will click on confirm, and it will take a while again, and it will come the product in here in the left corner. So just give me a few minutes and wait a while. As you can see, our new product has been added to our this option. So it is really easy. Now you need to be click on pin option. Once you click over here, now you can connect this option. So you can see it will take a loading, and it now give you the option to add this product to your Shopify store. And I hope this is really simple for you. And now you need to be click on your shipping method, and it will be shipping from China warehouse. So you hope understand the thing. And now you need to click shipping method. Here we have lots of shipping method, and both like lots are really good, like things are really good than other ones. So you can choose anything you want. So I will choose the DHL official, then I will click on confirm. Please select the products to be connected, and now it will be connected. As you can see this logo here, it means it is connected to our product. Now I can click on confirm. Once I click over confirm, it will take a while, and now it connected to our Shopify store. And this is the simplest way as I show you. Now I hope so you can easily connect your product to your CJ Dropshipping easily. I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon. Also hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any question related to this video, just ask me on the comment box and I will reply you all the comment. Thank you so much to watch the video till the end.